In this video, you will learn how to add outlines to cross-stitch designs. When you wish to add outlines to a design, first select the Outline button in the lower left corner, and then select the type of outline you wish to add. There are two choices: single line and current cross-stitch type. Single outline stitches are used to create borders or add details, while current cross-stitch type will add a fill border around the design. If you want to add a cross-stitch outline other than the current full cross, you must first select the fill icon, then right-click and open up the different stitches. Select the type of stitch you want to add. It will be designated then in the Stitch and Color toolbar. You can add an outline in a few different ways. One of the easiest is using the area fill. Click on the outline icon and select the single line. Right-click and choose the color of outline you wish to add. Select area fill and click on the object to add the single outline. For this next object, let's choose the current cross-stitch type, which is the upright cross. Select the area fill and click on the object. Notice that adding the current fill stitch to the rectangle did not add more crosses, but instead changed the color of the outer row of crosses. Keep this in mind if you are adding a border to adjacent object. You can also set a single border a stitch at a time. This is the best way to add an outline around an irregular shape. Let's zoom in and select the single line and select the color. Select the pencil tool. You can add an outline to any side of the cross. Zoom in and click on the side of the cross where you wish to add the outline. You can also click and drag to add an outline. If you wish to add a diagonal line, click inside the box to add a diagonal line. Zoom out and then zoom in. Irregular objects like this one require patience. Remember, when you use the zoom tool, you must reselect the pencil tool. The single outline and the color will remain selected. Click and drag to form the outline. If you make a mistake, you can right-click to remove a stitch, but notice the entire outline is removed. A right-click will remove all the stitches that have been generated since the last release of the mouse button. So remember to take a break when you are clicking and dragging to avoid removing too many stitches at once. The eraser tool will work this same way. So take a break, release the mouse, and then resume adding your outline stitches.